HARIBO. What comes to your mind when you hear this word? Surely, the famous gummy bears, colorful candies, and bright packaging pop up immediately. HARIBO is not just a brand, it is a whole history that began more than 100 years ago. Today, we will dive deep into how a small family business from Germany became a global giant in the gummy candy industry, what makes its sweets so special, and what secrets lie behind this legendary brand. It all started in 1920 when German confectioner Hans Riegel founded a small candy factory in Bonn. The name HARIBO is an abbreviation of Hans Riegel Bonn. He had just one sack of sugar, a copper kettle, and a rolling pin. His first candies were simple, hard sweets, but Riegel dreamed of creating something new that would captivate both children and adults. 2 years later, in 1922, Riegel revolutionized the candy industry by inventing the world's first gummy candy, the dancing bears, Tanzbären. Inspired by the popular trained bears seen in European street performances at the time, Riegel gave his sweets a bear shape, making them both fun and delicious. The dancing bears quickly gained popularity, and Riegel's small company started to grow. His wife, Gertrude, was his first and only employee in the early years, delivering the candies by bicycle to local stores. As demand increased, HARIBO expanded its operations, eventually moving to a larger factory to meet the growing need for its unique gummy candies. The company flourished in the 1920s and 1930s, but World War II brought significant challenges. Sugar shortages and economic turmoil forced HARIBO to halt much of its production. In 1945, Hans Riegel passed away, leaving the company in the hands of his sons, Hans Jr. and Paul. Despite the difficulties, they worked tirelessly to rebuild the business, reviving HARIBO and bringing it back to its former glory. By the 1950s, HARIBO was once again thriving. The company introduced new gummy products, refining the recipe to improve texture and taste. In 1960, the famous Goldbeeren, were introduced, the modern version of the original gummy bears. These became the brand's flagship product and are still HARIBO's most recognizable candy today. During the 1960s and 1970s, HARIBO expanded beyond Germany, entering markets across Europe. By acquiring other confectionery companies and setting up production facilities in different countries, HARIBO established itself as a dominant player in the candy industry. In 1978, HARIBO acquired the French confectionery company Lorette, strengthening its presence in the French market. Soon after, the company expanded into the UK and the United States. The catchy advertising slogan HARIBO macht Kinder froh, und ihr Watch sie benso, HARIBO makes children happy, and adults too, became a household phrase, further boosting the brand's popularity. Despite being a European favorite for decades, HARIBO didn't open its first US factory until 2023 in Wisconsin. Before this, HARIBO candies sold in America were imported from European factories. The new facility allows the company to produce Goldbeers and other gummy varieties locally, ensuring fresher products and expanding HARIBO's influence in the American market. Today, HARIBO's gummies are a staple in the United States, competing with well-established American candy brands. The company continues to introduce new flavors and variations, catering to American tastes while maintaining the original recipes that made it famous worldwide. So, what makes HARIBO candies stand out? First, their texture is different from many other gummy brands. HARIBO's gummies are slightly firmer and chewier, providing a longer-lasting flavor experience. This is due to the company's careful selection of ingredients and their unique gummy formula. Second, HARIBO's flavors are more intense and natural compared to many competitors. Unlike artificially flavored candies, HARIBO uses real fruit juice and high-quality ingredients to achieve its signature taste. Another unique aspect is the sheer variety of HARIBO products. In Germany alone, there are over 200 different types of HARIBO gummies, including licorice-flavored gummies, cola bottles, and even sour versions. Different countries have their own exclusive flavors tailored to local preferences. For example, in Japan, HARIBO offers green tea-flavored gummies, while in Spain, there are mango and passion fruit varieties. HARIBO once made a gummy in the shape of the Berlin Wall. To celebrate the fall of the Berlin Wall in 1989, HARIBO created special gummy candies shaped like pieces of the wall, symbolizing unity and celebration. Goldbeers have changed colors over the years. Originally, Goldbeers came in 6 colors, but the flavors and colors have been slightly modified over time. The most recent change happened in 2007, when the blue raspberry flavor was introduced in select markets. Haribo gummies are made differently in different countries. German-made Haribo Gold Bears taste slightly different from their US counterparts. The German version is made with real fruit juice and has a slightly firmer texture. The Haribo Museum exists. In France, there's a Haribo Candy Museum where visitors can learn about the history of the brand and even sample exclusive Haribo products. The original gummy bear recipe contained beeswax. While still used in some versions today, Haribo has also developed vegan-friendly alternatives to accommodate changing consumer preferences. Haribo's influence extends beyond candy. The brand has been referenced in movies, TV shows, and even music. In some European countries, Haribo commercials are nostalgic reminders of childhood, and its products are often associated with fun, happiness, and playful moments. In the digital age, Haribo has embraced social media, engaging with fans through interactive campaigns and limited edition releases. Some flavors are even chosen through online votes, giving consumers a voice in the brand's evolution. Haribo is more than just a candy brand, it's a global icon. From its humble beginnings in a small kitchen in Bonn to its status as a world leader in gummy confections, Haribo's journey has been remarkable. With its dedication to quality, innovation, and fun, Haribo has captured the hearts and taste buds of millions around the world.